Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to show you how to get error codes on your Electrolux dryer using the quick diagnostic mode. First, make sure the dryer is powered on and empty for safety. Close the door completely. Next, press and hold the Stop Clear button and the Start Pause button simultaneously for about 3 to 5 seconds. This will put the dryer into diagnostic mode. Once in diagnostic mode, turn the cycle selector knob to scroll through error codes stored in the dryer's memory. The display will show any current or past error codes, which helps identify what's causing problems. Note the error codes exactly as they appear. You can refer to the Electrolux user manual or online resources to understand what each code means and how to fix it. To exit diagnostic mode, press the Stop Clear button again or unplug the dryer for a few seconds. The dryer will return to normal operation. By following these steps, you can quickly access error codes on your Electrolux dryer and diagnose issues without guesswork. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and share your experience in the comments. Thanks for watching.